Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by collecting the exact footage you need and importing it into an editor. This saves time later. Connect via AirDrop or Lightning, or rely on iCloud Photos for originals. Once clips are in, create a new iMovie project. Trim unusable heads and tails immediately so your timeline stays tidy. Make sure to label clips with quick keywords and use favorites to flag best takes. This organizes choices and prevents decision paralysis while you build the rough cut. You now assemble the narrative. Drag clips into the timeline and trim to rhythm, shorten to maintain attention, and leave 1/2 to 1 second of breathing room between edits. Layer B-roll and cutaways to hide cuts and explain context. Use reaction shots for continuity. Once done, balance audio, normalize dialogue, duck background music, and remove hums with noise reduction. Make color corrections with presets, then fine-tune exposure. These middle steps transform rough cuts. You wrap up by exporting with correct settings. Match resolution and frame rate to your source to avoid artifacts and use highest viable bitrate. Before finalizing, scrub the finished file. Listen on headphones, check captions, and verify sync. If something goes wrong, re-render just the problematic section, re-import the affected clip, or clear the app cache and try again. Finally, save a master copy to Files or iCloud, and then create a compressed share version for upload or messaging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.